Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make stir-fry vegetables Guyanese style. First, let's get our ingredients ready. You'll need about 2 cups of your favorite vegetables, like crisp cabbage, vibrant carrots, and colorful bell peppers. Wash and chop them into bite-sized pieces. Prepare your aromatics. Finely mince 2 cloves of garlic, chop 1 small onion, and slice 1 hot pepper if you enjoy a little heat. This preparation is key for a quick and delicious meal. Now, let's build the flavor base for our stir-fry. Heat about 2 tablespoons of your preferred cooking oil in a large wok or frying pan over medium-high heat. Once the oil is shimmering, add your minced garlic and chopped onion. Stir constantly for about 1 to 2 minutes until they become fragrant and slightly translucent. This step releases their wonderful aromas and sets the stage for the delicious vegetables to come. It's time for the stars of the show, the vegetables. Add all your chopped vegetables to the pan with the sautéed aromatics. Keep the heat on medium-high and stir-fry continuously for about 5 to 7 minutes. We want them to be tender crisp, not mushy. Next, season generously with about 2 tablespoons of soy sauce and a dash of freshly ground black pepper. Toss everything together to ensure even coating and flavor distribution. For those who love a little extra zing, now is the perfect time to add your sliced hot pepper. Give everything one final stir for about 1 minute, allowing all the flavors to meld beautifully. Your Guyanese-style stir-fry vegetables are now ready. Serve this vibrant and flavorful dish immediately as a delicious side to rice or roti, or even as a light and healthy main course. Enjoy your easy and authentic meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.